Hey guys, so today we're going to be working on replacing this emblem piece right here. We're going to be putting on the new blacked out piece. Looks pretty clean. The things you're going to need are some glue gun, painter's tape, a microfiber cloth, and some floss. Let's get started. You're going to grab some painter's tape and you're going to border the emblem right here, just like I have above. The reason I did it around here, because I'm a perfectionist, I like having everything OEM looking, so that's the way I prefer to do it. But you guys can just do the outside just to get the general idea if you want to. Alright, let's move on to the next step. Once you heat it up, you're going to stick the floss in between, run it across, and it's going to simply just come off. You're going to do this all the way till you finish. As expected, once removed, you're going to see the adhesive of the logo right there on the trunk. You're going to get some glue gun, spray some on your microfiber cloth, and rub it against it as so to remove the adhesive. I noticed that it did take a while to do it, so what I'm going to do is add some heat and then rub it off as I go, little by little, just to speed up the process a little bit. Once you're done, as you can see, there's no adhesive left. You're going to go ahead and pick up the new piece, test fit it. As you can see, the foam is really big on mine, so I'm going to go ahead and trim it, making it look smaller so that I can fit it inside. Then you're going to go ahead and peel the adhesive on the back, place it against, and push on it. Once you do that, you're going to hold it for about 30 seconds, then just remove the foam piece, and it should be placed. I'll go ahead and show you the final result once I'm done. Once you got everything on, just go ahead and remove all the tape and residue, and check out the aftermath result.